Dear students, and welcome back again. Today, it will be the last session within unit number 47, the different things we do. We're going to continue exercise E that we started last time. You remember? The last time we did just the first part that was about writing names of the family in the picture. And today, we will complete the second part of this exercise with verbs and people who are doing these verbs. We're going to use the form of the present continuous. So the objective here is completing verbs using the present continuous form and defining the doers. The doers are the people who are doing these verbs. Okay, so let's start. That was the results of the last exercise, the first part. After writing the names. Now, let me ask you. Can you see the father and the boy on the bike? Yes? What are their names? What are the names of the father and the boy on the bike? The answer is Mr. Nice and Tom. Perfect. Now, Mr. Nice and Tom, what are they doing? What are they both doing? Look at their hands. They are. The verb that we have, it starts with W, by the way. You need a verb that starts with the letter W. So what is your answer? It's waving. The verb is wave with E at the end, but here, within the form of the present continuous, you have to exchange the E with ing. So we read the sentence, Mr. Nice and Tom are waving. Repeat. Perfect. That was an example. Now, complete the first sentence with the names and the word or the verb waving. Take your time and write. And after finishing, I want you to do the same for the other sentences, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You complete the verb and then you define or you choose who's the person who's doing this verb. Okay? Take your time because in 1 second we're going to have the correction. You can pause the video right here. So let's correct. Number 1. Let's see what we have in the verb. So number 2 we have is sit on a seat. So what is the verb that we have that we need before a seat, or that we use with the article or the thing, a seat? The verb is sit. Very good. And to adapt it to the form of the present continuous, we're going to say sitting. We add ing. And of course, pay attention to the spelling because it's double T. Sitting. So is sitting on a seat. Now, who's sitting on a seat? Look carefully at all of these people in the picture. The one who's sitting is this one. And what's her name? Perfect. Her name is Mrs. Nice. And we read, Mrs. Nice is sitting on a seat. Repeat. Perfect. Now, what about the next verb? The next verb in number 3 is a verb that starts with the letter J. So is into the water. That means we're talking about someone who's in the swimming pool. And the verb is jump. Very good. Jumping is jumping into the water. Jumping into the water. And who's jumping in the water? Into the water? It's this girl here. Her name is Anna. So Anna is jumping into the water. Amazing. Now, we're going to continue with sentence 4. The verb that we need starts with W. So is a t-shirt normally. What do we do with a t-shirt? What is the verb? It's wearing. It's wearing. Good. So the one who's wearing a t-shirt is the girl in the tree. Her name is Eva. So we say Eva is wearing a t-shirt. Good job. Now the last sentence. We have a verb that starts with the letter S. And the rest of the sentence is in the pool. So someone is in the pool. What is the verb that starts with S? Very good. It's swim. And the form is swimming. So someone is swimming in the pool. The only one that we have is this boy here. And his name is Hugo. Hugo is swimming in the pool. You can read all the sentences right now together, one after the other. And I want you to take the correction right now and see you next time. Goodbye for now.